I'm Sophia Anderton from BJU International. We're a charity based in the UK providing education for urologists around the world. It's fantastic to be at UAA. It's one of the highlights of the urological conference calendar of the year for me. It's a fantastic opportunity to meet urologists from all around the world and especially Asia, and a great opportunity to meet all the individual national associations around the world with whom we work with. This year I was also lucky enough to take part in a workshop on scientific writing and be able to promote some of the journals that we publish, BJUI and BJUI Compass, as well as talking about our online learning platform, BJUI Knowledge. Being here in Dubai is absolutely fantastic. We've had such a warm welcome from the organising committee, and thank you to everyone who's been involved with organising it.